Welcome back to Worthington Motor Railway. As you can see, another package has arrived. I actually thought this was maybe the Rail to Sheffield package I've been waiting for, which still hasn't got here, but this is a Hattons one. Today is Friday. This was shipped Tuesday. So once again, Hattons and DHL do a phenomenal job of delivering. I do like Hattons trunk service. Hattons trunk service is nice. I can order things into the trunk and then decide when there's enough stuff to ship to pay the shipping charges. So I know there's some stuff in here I've been waiting for a while. There's some things that were just sort of not available that I was looking for. So let's open it up and see what's in here. A1A3 TTS sound decoder, which I'm going to put into that Thompson class that I did a video on not too long ago. We'll see how that one works. I was looking for some dark leaves for trees and can't find any around here. Nobody seems to have it, but I'm going to try this and see how this works. So, yep. One of the things I've been wanting to put on the layout as a feature for quite a while is a cricket match, a cricket pitch, cricket club, whatever. I did get the Metcalf Pavilion months ago and built it, and I had these Peco cricketers on order at 3 or 4 different places, and I now have to I cancelled the order at the other places because they finally came in at Hattons. So we'll get this stuff made up and we'll get the cricket pitch done. That's going to be a job to do on the layout. These also have been on order for a while. I don't know, with a lot of Homeby stuff's just not been available. I have a number of coaches that I want to re-wheel, and so I ordered some wheels. This time some Bachman branch line wagons. There's just a private owner coal wagon there, and then there are 3 Salt Wagons to add to my collection, so we will open those up in a little while and we can take a look at them. Oh yeah, I'm missing some buffers on a couple of coaches, so I want some buffers. And then these have been on order forever. The platform canopies, I want them for a couple of my platforms. I've just been waiting for them, and they've just finally Metcalf started making them again. Okay, so that's all we have this time. So I thought I'd pull out a couple of these Salt Wagons, the Bachman ones that I just recently got from Hattons. This focus is not great, is it? There we go. 10-ton Salt Wagon, Jack of Salt, weathered. So let's open it up. It's the usual packaging that all these things come these days. The plastic. And the weathering's quite nicely done on this. It's not perfect, but so let's have a look at some of the detail on this. As you can see, it's again printed very, very nicely. I think it's neat that the weathering, they've just put a couple of different new planks in there that obviously has changed over time. We can see all of the other lettering here really well, I think. The underneath of these, it's actually almost a little less than some of the Oxford Rail ones we looked at the other day. I'm going to pull out some Dapple, some Oxford Rail, some of these Bachman, and some Hornby ones. We'll do a comparison. That would be a fun, interesting video. Let's say that the printing is good, but I actually think the Oxford Rail printing is better. The wheels are nice, and the gear looks nice down there. So that's Jack of Salt, and there's no difference between the 2 sides of this that I can see there. Okay. The next one I have here is Snowdrift Salt. Let's open this one up. I'm not expecting there to be very much difference. This one is also weathered. Interestingly, the weathering on the roof is different between the two. Side weathering is pretty nice. And again, what's going on here? There we go. Now we have a nice close-up focus. And again, we can read all of the lettering very nicely. Again, I think there's more detail on the Oxford Rail Wagons. This one's got a little bit more weathering than the other one. But again, so that's that one. This one is not weathered. This one is Stafford Saltworks. Come on again, what is that? There we go, Stafford Saltworks. Again, the lettering is nice, you can read it all. It's a little more defined without the weathering. It's the same undercarriage arrangement. I think actually they're all the same wagon, just different printing on them. So, okay. It's interesting, that one's got the handle on the end. Oh, yeah, they all have the handle on the end. It's the same. It's the same wagon. Quick sneak preview of the cricket ground. There's the Peco cricketers, some of the Peco accessories, and there we have the Metcalfe Pavilion. I'll put together a more fuller video on putting all this together, which we will release soon. That's about it for today. Short video. I will be posting more videos of some of the work with the other items that are in the package. We will put those station platforms together at some point sooner or later. I'm putting together a video of the cricket ground that I built. Some of you might have seen that on Facebook. And we'll also put that TTS decoder into the Thomson A2/3, and we'll run that. So there'll be other videos coming along with some more detail on that. Thanks for watching, and as usual, you will see in a minute that there will be a subscribe button to the right, and there will be another video to the left.